Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Asana for task management in Teams. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Asana and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the project you'd like to manage. If you don't have an existing project, click on the Create Project button. Select either a blank project or choose from one of the available templates. Name your project clearly to reflect its purpose. Invite team members by clicking on the Share button. Enter their email addresses to send invitations. Now, let's add tasks to your project. Click on the Add Task button to create a new task. Enter a descriptive title for each task. Assign the task to a specific team member by using the Assignee field. Set a due date for every task to establish deadlines. You can also add more details by clicking on the task to open its Details pane. In the Details pane, include descriptions, attachments, and subtasks if necessary. To enhance organization, use sections to categorize tasks. To create a section, click Add Section and name it appropriately. Drag and drop tasks into their respective sections for better workflow. Utilize tags if you want to categorize tasks further or highlight priority items. To track progress, check the status of each task by updating its completion status. Encourage team collaboration by adding comments directly to tasks. Set reminders for tasks to help team members stay on track. For an overview, switch to the board view for a visual representation of tasks. You can also view the project timeline by switching to the Timeline tab. Review the project regularly to adjust assignments and priorities as needed. Take advantage of Asana's reporting features to assess team performance. Explore automation options to streamline repetitive processes. Regularly update tasks and projects for efficient team task management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.